Hi everyone. So in today's video I'll be doing a quick review of the BMW that I got. I think I had this car in the background in the last videos, but yeah, so this one doesn't have any badges, but this one is a 325 Ci. I'll show from the front. This is the car that I got from a nice gentleman here locally. He had it posted for probably like half an hour or so, and I've called him right away. And the reason why I got this car, because it has engine issue, and it's actually really bad engine knock. I don't want to start the car because I don't want to ruin the engine even more. Maybe it will be one of those occasions when it can be saved, but I will not know that for sure until I drop the oil pan and see the condition of the rod bearings, and just will drain the oil and see the amount of metal shavings there is there. I already opened the oil filter housing and look at the oil filter, and it does have some metal shavings, but that's pretty much all the information that I have. For some unknown reason, the car decided to develop some bottom end noises, and the more he drove it, the louder it got. So yeah, that's the thing. And I got this as a winter project, so I guess let's look at the car. He had it for, I believe, over 13 years, which is really cool. I like buying cars from first or second owners. So this one is a sport package, 5-speed manual transmission, which is nice, heated seats and bangs and whistles, that kind of stuff. Aluminum trim, which is really nice. It's my first time with aluminum trim, the actual aluminum, not just the plastic silver interior trim. Pretty good condition. The seats are a little cracked in here, but again, this is just the vinyl that's cracked. Other than that, non-smoker car, looks great. No sagging headliner. The pillars are in pretty good condition. Comes with 2 keys, sunroof, charcoal gray metallic. Has a few rust spots since it's been a Utah car. A little bit bubbling over here, and there's few spots on the back, but since this one is a 2006, it comes with the updated headlights, and the tail lights are LED as well. M54 B25 TU. Any 325 comes with this engine of the E46 generation. Oh, it's actually sparkling graphite metallic. It's my first car having this color. Really nice, darker gray, charcoal type of looking color. Comes with the winter tires and these 17-inch wheels. Let's check in the back. LED taillights, just like I had on my ZHP. Trunk, nothing crazy. Here's the other rust spot right over here. Looks like the coupes are notorious for that, especially the facelifts. Maybe some problems with gutters or something, but anyhow. And also it came with a second set of wheels. These are nice 2-piece wheels with a Michelin summer tires. So it's a quick overview of the car. Now, I know that it has original clutch still, which is amazing considering that it has, what's the mileage by the way? 54,000 miles. So yeah, this guy really knew how to drive a manual transmission if the clutch lasted for this long. By the way, he had it since 13,000 miles. He bought it here locally in the BMW of Murray and serviced it there, and apparently there is pretty good amount of service records on this car. I'm really excited to see what's been done. And yeah, this guy is a BMW enthusiast as well. He has a E92 M3 and a Z4 and a few other cars. So it's really amazing for me to meet that person. But anyway, I think enough of me talking. I want to jack this car up and drain the oil and see how bad it looks like, and maybe we can find something out of the condition of the oil and metal shavings that we'll find in it. So